Welcome back, welcome back. Well, we got Pistol Poker on the Gottlieb Table Pack 4. Super fun table. Let's get a look here. The DMD's working real nice on this one. The backglass is looking real nice. They also utilize the backglass in this game. It'll tell you when to look up. You kind of want to get those cards. Basically, you want to get a nice poker hand with those cards. The highest poker hand, I believe the highest points. Also, you'll be doing that throughout the table as you're trying to play. But this is one of, it has 6 tables on the pack. I highly suggest getting it. Most of the tables, the DMD works. They sound great. They're looking great. So let's check it out, and you guys can get a little idea of how this one plays. All right, let's check it out. On the Legends Pinball 4K, here's Pistol Poker.
Howdy, partner.
Now it's telling you to look up. So now it wants me to hit a number.
Ready, and fire. Here are keys. Select hand.
I knew it was going.
Sidewinder. Bushwhacker.
That's dangerous right there.
Miss Sally, fetch me another match. Now get it.
All right, so there you go, man. That's Pistol Poker on the Gottlieb Table Pack 4. Super fun table, a lot going on. As you can see, it's cool how they integrate the back glass to make the playfield just seem like it's a lot bigger, because you're also focusing on that at certain times too. Glad they got the DMD working on this one. Really cool. Y'all should check it out. Gottlieb Table Pack 4, Pistol Poker. Y'all have a good one. Thank you.